What up, YouTube? It is cold than a motherfucker out here. I haven't started this car in about 3 weeks, so I figured I'd do a cold start video. As soon as the weather gets better, I plan on getting this out the garage and trying to do a regular review. But we'll see if this starts up. I'll go ahead and do a quick preview of the inside. Rest of the video hopefully coming next week.